Right, we've got something really special for you today. We're in the Jack Cater North Star Bicycle Complex, and look what's just turned up. Only 15 of them came to Canada.
500 in the world.
500 in the world, and only how many made it to deal? 5 made it to dealers.
Race team ate them up.
The rest of them went to racing, things like that. And this one is destined for a, what? It's a history customer, or?
Well, we're waiting to see. He's either got it or one of my, I got a customer that wants it possibly too.
So it's still in the crate. In fact, there's the cover at the crate sitting right there. 2023 model, as you can see there. 12/23, so right at the end of the year. All set up beautifully, and it's got its little pack there, CBR1000SPP. So if you really have the amount of money, this is what you could take home. So hit the like button. Tell us if you know of anyone else that has this particular model, and we might say a shout out to the KTM dealer, Ashley in Australia. Ashley, your RC8C that you sit in the room, perhaps you should have one of these beside it. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell us about unique bikes in your life.